Select cell B16. Type $AV in cell B16. The Formula Autocomplete list displays functions whose names are approximate alphabetic matches to the typed letters. In the Formula Autocomplete list, double-click Average. Excel inserts the average function into the formula. Position the mouse pointer over cell B4. Press and hold the left mouse button as you drag the pointer downward until it is over cell B15, and then release the mouse button. Excel enters the range B4 through B15 into the formula as the average function's argument. Type closed parenthesis in cell B16 to complete the formula. Press Enter. Excel calculates the average monthly sales and returns the result in cell B16.